I never thought I would be talking and reviewing something as mundane as a tape dispenser. But this one here, one of my viewers actually turned me on to, is absolutely fantastic for doing craft work and for gift wrapping, which I absolutely suck at. My wife does that. But for dispensing heat tape, this thing is great. I'm going to show you about it coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the loft above the shop, and I like to point out things that are extremely useful and handy, especially if you're doing work in the shop, if you're working with tools, or if you're doing crafting, which we do quite a bit of up here. And as I mentioned in the introduction here, this would also be ideal for gift wrapping, which, as I also said, I don't do because I'm not good at it. However, one of my viewers pointed this out to me a while back, and I did manage to keep the box. I don't know why, but I did still have the box, but I've used this quite a bit. And what this will do is you turn this handle, and I'll give you a complete demonstration here in a minute. It dispenses little pieces that you can just pick right off the roller as you're doing your work. And if you need little short pieces of heat tape, for example, to hold your sublimation paper down to maybe a t-shirt or a pot holder or a mouse pad or coasters, whatever you're doing, this dispenses them very quickly. What I've always used in the past is this here, and this one roll is about gone on there. Once that's gone, this will probably be retired because I've gone almost exclusively to this. This doesn't really have a brand name to it. I bought it from on Amazon, and I will leave a link in the description on where you can get one. They're not expensive. I'll show you a couple little features on it here. It does come with a little instruction pamphlet here, which is sort of helpful. Look at the box out of the way here. It's available in different colors. If you don't like green, you can get a pink one or a purple one. But there again, there's no brand name on this. It's just a made in China plastic thing, but it works. Okay, it also comes with a spool adapter if you have a small core spool. This would fit in the back. And of course, I'm not going to take this out because I already have it loaded. But on the back here, I only have one roll in it now, and when this one's gone, I'll reload it with 3 rolls. You could put 3 rolls of heat tape on the back of this. If you're using like, I'm going to use Scotch tape, yeah, that's a brand name. If you're using that type of tape, like for gift wrapping, you could put 2 rolls side by side. And then on this side, there is a space for a single roll, and there's a cutter here so you can pull this out to whatever length you need. And there's a cutter right there for it, and that works well. What this does is, as you rotate this handle, it cuts little pieces of heat tape or gift wrap tape or whatever you're using, and they are about 1.5 inches long. And if you had 3 rolls on here loaded, which I don't right now because I didn't have enough heat tape to do that, you would have 3 across. And as you rotate this, it just keeps cutting the pieces, and you can pull 3 at a time. And I'm going to be doing another video here on doing some toddler sublimation, little toddler tumblers. And I'll be using this in that video. If you'd like to see it, it'll be coming up shortly. But you know, if this is a great little tool, it's a big time saver, it's a hassle saver. So I know one of the questions I'm going to get is, why is one heat tape blue and one brown? So what's the difference? Well, the difference is that this heat tape here is blue and this one's brown. They work the same, they do the same thing, it's just 2 different brands. So no, there is absolutely no difference in performance or how they work or anything else. Just one's blue and one's brown. Yeah. Well, there's just a quick little review of this little tape dispenser. Again, I never thought I would ever be doing a review or a demonstration of a tape dispenser, and this is absolutely not sponsored, and this is not expensive at all. This is actually pretty cheap, but what a huge time saver. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Of course, we're always looking for subscribers. Thanks for watching. I'm Roger in the Loft. See you in the next one.